we use the extreme blue. It is good for minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. What you'll want is preferably a bucket with a hose attached to it. This way you can connect the hose directly to your hot seat unit. If you don't have a setup like this available, having just the hose and a funnel will also work. Okay. Now with the bucket attached, you run your machine running the windshield washer or your antifreeze through the machine. Now that's run all the way through the hose and everything, so your hose can also freeze up and crack. Now if you have a float tank on your unit, it is easy just to take the lid off, move the lid to the side, take your hose, or if you're just using bottles, to pour it directly into, you have your three-way valve connected, turned so that it will pull off the float tank.
Easy as that. Run it through this machine just like you ran it through the other. Put it in the float tank, start the machine, pull the trigger in the gun, let it bleed blue, and you're here to help.